So that's just one example. Let's talk about this math module real quick. So if I go to import and I go to math, you'll notice it's actually like popping up right there. But I can just double click this here. Now math is one of those things that's it should be built into your Python. Like when you first download it, it should be like a built-in module. There's a lot of modules that you can get like online and stuff that do different things. Like I know there's like another one. I think it's called Pra. If I'm not sure what I'm not sure what it is. But there's other ones that like you can use for like APIs and stuff like that. So like you can connect to the website Reddit and make a Reddit bot with Python by like importing like the Reddit module and stuff. And there's all kinds of like other ones that you can get online that do all kinds of different things, like make video games or apps or whatever. Um, but in this case, we're just importing this math one, which is built in. So normally, if I wanted to like make like an equation to do the square root of something, I'd probably have to make a function and like call it like square root or something. I'd have to go through the process of actually doing it. But luckily, people have already done that for me. People have already made functions for square root in Python. So to access them, since I have this math module in here, all I got to do is type in math, and as soon as I hit this dot, you'll notice all these things come up, and these are all the functions you can use in this math module right here. That they just immediately give you access to. You can see like cosine and stuff like that in here, and then there's this one at the top, square root. So if I just start typing it in, it just gives you this function. It just gives you this function attached to this math object thing here, and I can type in. Let's go with 100. No, that's too easy. Let's go with like 81 or something, which obviously is going to be 9. So if I won't do anything if I did it there, but if I print this and I run this, you're going to see down there, bam, 9.0 gets printed out when we do this print math.square root, and then we have something in there. So obviously you can get kind of crazy, like maybe if you have like the sum or something, and the sum is equal to 9 plus this large number here plus this number here plus something there, and then we just could put sum in here. This math module is doing a lot of the work for us right there. Whatever this crazy number is the answer to that, I guess. But basically the idea is you can grab code from elsewhere. There's all kinds of open source code that you can just start using on your own for your applications, and just kind of take large building blocks and put them together without having to do things from scratch and reinvent the wheel. And so just be aware that this is something you can do, and I'm sure in the future you'll come up with good ways to use it. That's it for this video. This is it for the basic Python programming tutorials for the most part. I think there's gonna be one on File.io as well, but that's it for these. In the future, you'll see what we're gonna do, some more advanced Python stuff. All right, see ya.